This is wild. I'm Aaron Hemian, and I'm here to show you how I work and communicate directly with nature to build a balanced and harmonious vegetable garden with nature. I'm kind of having my mind blown right now. I was pruning this rose. I was pruning it from this angle, from over here. Okay? I was pruning it like 5 minutes ago. Look, see all my prunes? Wait, can you see that? Cut them all off. And there was maybe like 3 or 4, like it was like those roses. Like those were left. So these weren't here and these weren't here. And then I go to my watering, and then I feel this nudge to turn around. All those roses. And I'm like, I just thought about how there was only like 3 or 4 in there and more will bloom like next week. No, they all bloomed right now. I'm not kidding. This is what happens when you work with nature spirits. What in the world? And look at, they're all like freshly bloomed. I'm just like, nature, are you playing games with me? What is that? Like, can you look at this? Look how beautiful they are. I mean, how, what? And these guys, oh, there you go, came up too. I kid you not. There was like 3 or 4. I go to water over there. I turn around, and there's like 2 dozen. I don't know what it means, but man, that's cool. I swear. I go to water over there. Just a few minutes. I felt a nudge to turn. Oh, look. And there's a white butterfly. White butterflies are kind of like nature validating something for me, or just showing me that they're here. So I go to water. I turn around. This, let's see, this shot up. All these roses came up. This side shot up. All these roses bloomed. Like what? Well, I know from reading Machaelle Wright's books, and when she had experiences like this with the nature, a lot of it had to do with breaking down her logic of what can work in the physical universe. And now this is, I guess, an example from nature. We're going to be breaking down my logic of what's possible. Yay! Oh my gosh, what am I getting into? This is my first time I've had kind of experience like this in the garden. This is breaking down my logic of what's possible with nature. What do you do after you have an experience like that? I guess you just keep gardening and let your mind be blown about what's possible. So wild, and I'm so glad. I mean, I feel like I'm like looking at plants differently, so that you can see. That's another plot I'm helping with. And to me, it just looks like the plants are glowing more. Like, are they gonna shoot up too? I think I might have had I might have had a breakthrough. I'm just gonna continue letting my mind be blown, stare at those roses differently now from now on, and understand that, some things outside of our normal logic is possible.